welcome back to this Wolverine game tutorial on how to make a game in ScratchJr about Wolverine. This is a platform game where basically Wolverine has to get to the filing cabinet there, which has got his secrets of his past in it. So essentially the coding or the characters for this one are just all stock characters and an adapted background. So let me show you Wolverine first. Here is Wolverine. Here is Wolverine, adapted the ScratchJr cat again. The rest of them, apart from the filing cabinet, which is I think a cabinet which I've coloured grey and put an X on the front of it because it's Weapons X, isn't it? That is the program that made Wolverine. Also, what I did do is I adapted the background and basically add blocks there, and I used that one, calculated where they were based on the jump that Wolverine can make. So let me take you through the code. So the normal code you've got basically for when you press the button, so the orange, pressing the orange button sends a message to move Wolverine right. When you press the red, it moves him left. No, sorry, orange is a jump right, red is a jump left, yellow is a move left, and green is a move right. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So basically, when you press the yellow, fairly simply, it moves left. When you press the green, it moves right. The red and orange jumps are slightly different, but they're the same, but in opposite. When you press the red button, it moves 4 blocks left, goes and it simultaneously goes up and then down, and that up and down allows it to make the leap and then actually land onto the blocks, onto the platform. So let me show you. So I'm moving to there. I'll press the red one, goes up 4, down 1, and across at the same time. Then I go press the orange one, up 4, down 1. So you can see that's the jump, and it gives the illusion it's on a platform. That's not really a platform, it's not solid, it's just a picture in the background. The only other code is when the Weapon X filing cabinet is touched, it changed screen to this one here, where essentially the only bit that's coded is Wolverine moves left 10 and then says he's found out about his past. So let's have another run through. So full screen to, let's reset it. Full screen to start. Off we go. No need for a green flag. We jump there. Jump again. Jump again. And there we go. Now you can find out about his past. Excellent stuff. So I hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Have fun making it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.